Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. As you can see, this boat has the light gray hull sides, the light gray under the hardtop. The boat has white graphics on one side, and we'll take a look. This particular boat has a 300 V8 Merc in white, cooler under the helm seat, has a boarding ladder, ski pole, standing platform in the back which comes up to a seat. Boat is equipped with electronics, has a fusion stereo, Marine VHF, has a 9-inch Marine. It has a smart box glove compartment. There's your tacks, your controls. Boat does have a porta potty in it. Forward seating, flip up seats, forward seat rod holders with a live well under it. Powder coated T-top with rod holders. Helm seat. And our aft flip up seat. This has been 2019 24-foot Dauntless. Thank you.